Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. Looky, I got some more glitters. This is Fran's Glitter and More monthly subscription package. And it just came in the mail yesterday, so I'm going to open it up right here on camera. I have not seen any of these. I have not watched any spoiler videos. I don't know what's in here. I thought about, in fact I did. I canceled this subscription for a while. And then, as is usually the case, I watched other months' unboxing videos. For example, on the Purple Stitch, she does these. She loves Fran's glitter. And I realized that I was missing out on so many cool things. So I started it back up again. So, first thing out of the box, we have something I do not recognize. They're little molds. Look at that. They're little crystal molds. They're silicone molds that make little different shapes of crystals. Isn't that adorable? Let's see if I can get you a close up here. Yeah, it's very pretty. I don't have any of these. I have some others, but not these shapes, and not this type of mold with a little handle on it. That's cute. All right, next up. Oh gosh, more. That's a mixing cup, silicone mixing cup. I was not expecting this. I thought it was going to be glitter. Okay, it looks like peach-colored mica powder. I'm not complaining, I just wasn't expecting it. This is, ooh, Nightlife Chunky. Look at that. Yeah, gold, pink, it's a shift. That's beautiful. I'm going to take these all out first, contrary to how I've done them in the past, and then we'll go through each one and open the jar and take a closer look. Let's see what's here first, since I'm being surprised. Here's a green mica powder. Ooh, wow. Patrick Chunky. I'm guessing there's another one. Wow, that's a Fruit Punch Opalescent. Pink. There's probably a smaller cut of Patrick. Whoever I don't know who Patrick is. Goodness. Peace, Love, and Chickens. These look like Waterslides. Wow, a little hippie, a little hood. Softball. Peace, Love, and Margaritas. Cool. Wow. This is a very different box. The mixing thingy. Now I find these sort of not useful because when I try and mix mica, or when I try and mix resin that is anything but very thin viscosity, this just bends and is kind of useless. But you could use the scoop if you wanted to do that for scooping out some micas maybe. All right, Wazowski. Wow, look at that. That's gorgeous. Green and gold flash. Wow. I like that a lot. Okay. Feels like we've got two more glitters in here. Wow, another pink. Panther Irregular. These are opalescent shards of all different sizes, it looks like, with pink. Maybe there are pink shards in here as well. That is shockingly bright. Look at that. Bevo Chunky. Wow, that's I was looking at this just this second thinking that doesn't look chunky. That looks like a super fine or a fine. But if you look closer, there are chunky bits in here. Oh wait, that's on the outside. Okay, now I'm really oh no, there are chunkies. So the fine is sticking to the outside. That looks to be a holographic. Very pretty. And the chunkies on the inside. Okay, let's get some spoons. Take a look at these up close. I'll have to figure out what to do with them. I don't usually use that much pink, so this gets me out of my comfort zone, that's for sure. So we have 2 pinks, 2 purples, and a green. Very pretty, very chunky now that I see it from the inside of the jar. All right, Panther Irregular. Okay, so the pink appears to be very small, almost a powder. And then the shards are the opalescents. Nightlife. Patrick Chunky. This isn't all that different, honestly, from the Panther. I think the Panther is an even brighter pink. And these are hex cut opalescent pieces, but the pink again is a very, very ultra fine powder almost. Our final glitter in the package was Wazowski. That's beautiful. This is more my style. I use chunky, but I tend towards fine. I know chunky has a bigger bling factor usually. So here's what we have. There's no paperwork with it, so I don't know what these micas are called. I would guess peach and green, but they usually have catchier names than just the color. So we have Waterslides, it looks like. They feel like Waterslides, they don't feel like stickers. I'll have to try one to find out. There's nothing on the back, so I don't know for sure. A little hippie, a little hood, softball season in the spring, peace, love, and chickens, and peace, love, and margaritas. I will certainly have a fun time using these. And then we have some silicone molds for crystals, silicone cup for mixing resin in, little amounts of resin, and a little scooper silicone stir stick that doesn't stir very well, but could be used for its scoop. All right, there we are. Very fun box. I'll have to think of what to do with it. If anybody has any suggestions. One glitter you want to see me use first, or should I go nuts and do a tray with all of them to see how they look in resin? Let me know. Say something in the comments below and give me some suggestions here. And then watch for the upcoming video. Thanks everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.